I don't even know what to say at this point. I had to get off the train past my stop because there was a guy who was following me from car to car. And when I tried to get off at my stop, which was pitch dark, he held it open to see if I was gonna get off. So I had to get off the stop after. And then when I got off the stop after, I hopped on the next train that was going the other direction, and I got on an express train, and now I'm back on the other side of the tracks. Hold on. New York City is not safe. It's not safe for women, okay? I am so sick and tired of having to look over my shoulder 24/7, not just at night, during the day, at all hours. I'm sick and tired of it.